All right, welcome back to the channel. So this will be a quick video. I just wanted to briefly show you guys the Repsol graphics package that I've done on the 22 Honda Grom. This is from 77 decals, and I think it looks really good. This is an actual vinyl, unlike the Yoshimura package, which had a much thicker decal and a much more precisely cut decal that was a lot simpler to put on. This requires a heat gun and a lot of finesse to get it as perfect as you can, but I'm really happy with the end result. So again, I'll link in the description below to this kit. It comes with the livery on the side, the matching color Grom logo on the back, and some graphics here on the tail too. It also has some matching graphics for the headlight. It came with some additional stickers like this HRC one that I put on. And I printed my own Repsol sticker for the front fender here, just using my vinyl cutter. But again, pretty happy with the way that it came out. Definitely changes the overall look of the bike. You'll notice I am missing an exhaust. I hopefully have that dual high Yoshi pipe in the next few days. I also installed the Taiga rear sets on this bike. I previously had them on the Monkey. I actually swapped the stock gear on the Monkey for now. I use this bike much more as a cruiser, and that's definitely more the look that has, as opposed to the more, well, replica race-like look that this has now. So the previous model Grom and the Monkey rear sets will fit on this bike, but there is no provision for the hanger to connect the stock exhaust. So I went ahead and left it exhaustless for now. Anyway, wanted to again thank 77 Decals for sending me this kit. So I spent some time finding the right color powder for these wheels. This is a prismatic color called New Tucker Orange. I found that on the Honda boards where people were talking about recoating their actual Repsol bikes, and this New Tucker Orange color being the closest that they could find. I don't have a real Repsol bike to compare it against, but looking at pictures it looks very close, and one of my goals now on this bike is to find a real Repsol bike to take some pictures next to it to see how close it is. But I think it looks fantastic. I did find from another company called All Precision Paints or All Precision Powder something called Repsol Orange, although my powder coater said they'd never heard of the brand and were hesitant to do it on the wheels just because they couldn't guarantee the quality the same way they can with the prismatic colors. So really happy with the overall look. And again, once I get that twin dual titanium exhaust from Yoshimura, I think this bike's look will be pretty complete. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.